Hello and welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be kind of different from my normal videos because I'm going to be explaining exactly how I come up with my hypermodern linkages. Now, apologies if the audio is not as good as my normal videos. I'm actually recording this on my camera phone, so I can record it live. As you see, I just dropped the pen. This is live. I'm talking. Hi, hello. Anyway, so I'm going to be making a hypermodern linkage from scratch, and I'm going to be showing my process throughout doing it. A lot of people have asked me if there's a secret with making hypermodern linkages, and for me there kind of is actually in a way. And I'm going to be breaking down exactly what that secret is in this video. So, without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I like to do is I come up with a trick. Any random trick to do. Like, it could be a Sonic from 3-4 to 2-3, or a thumb around, or a demon Sonic, a palm down demon Sonic, or a palm up pinky bust, or curled mirrored power pass reverse. That was not it. There it is. Anyway, probably not that one. Hypermodern power is very underdeveloped now. But anyway, so I'm just going to be doing, let's see, just anything. I'll just do a pinky bust. Palm up pinky bust. How about that? Actually, no, it goes out of frame and it's kind of hard to record with this. So I'll actually just do an East Sonic. Keep it simple, right? East Sonic. So the next thing I like to do is think of another trick to do. Just any other random trick. And this could be, let's see, for example, how about a Moonwalk Demon Sonic? So a Demon Sonic is this. Moonwalk, okay, well that's kind of confusing. But no, it's definitely possible. It's basically this, right? I'm not crazy? Okay. So, or let's just say Demon Sonic. If it becomes Moonwalk, so be it. So anyway, an East Sonic is like this, right? Now the next thing I do is I combine those two tricks without adding any extra rotations. And you might be thinking, what? How does that work? Well, actually, so an East Sonic has one rotation, right? One rotation because the pen starts here with this side in, and then it does this, now it's up here, and then it goes down again, and now it's down here, so that's one rotation. And a Demon Sonic has 1.5 rotations. You can watch this end, the end that got taped, it's down here. Demon Sonic, now it's up here. 1.5 rotations. So the total trick, the end trick, the result trick would probably be 1.5 rotations. But this would be a hybrid between an East Sonic and a Demon Sonic. So like I said, the first trick is an East Sonic. We start here, or the middle slot I should say is here, and then we want to somehow get to a Demon Sonic. So how can we do this? So a Demon Sonic is this finger position, right? And East Sonic is this. Not very different. That's the change, right? So I think what would be better in this case, again, this is all live, not planned at all, would be to do a Moonwalk Demon Sonic. So an East Sonic is like this, and then a Demon Sonic becomes like that. So that would probably look like, let's see. Again, this is live. I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing, but probably like this. Wait, no. Okay, that's not very fancy, but let's see. Yeah, like that. Okay, I think this is not even hypermodern yet. But that's the gist of it. So that's the trick. It's actually, wait, how it's actually half a rotation. I believe this is hypermodern. Yeah. So we start with an East Sonic, right? And then we switch to the Demon Sonic intermediate slot position. And that's basically just fancy words for this. And you can see the difference between an East Sonic is that, Demon Sonic is that. So what I did here, the fingers that change are actually the starting fingers, the fingers that the pen starts in for the East Sonic. But it's also the same fingers where the Demon Sonic starts in. So I was thinking, since those slots change, why don't we make that the ending slots instead of the starting slots? Because if I tried doing a normal Demon Sonic and not a Moonwalk Demon Sonic, it would probably look like that and then just that, which might not even be considered hypermodern because it's just basically like a finger switch at this point. It's like not even, it's like you can't even tell it's another trick. So that's really where the finesse part of this method comes into play. Because you really have to understand your trick that you're adding and the trick that you're adding onto it. So, again, let's go back to the trick. That's the trick. It's 0.5 rotations. And that's what it looks like. Pretty simple, right? So, that's the video. Let me know if you like this style of video, where I'm just talking very unedited, very personal, very just me explaining things, instead of just like a bunch of edited stuff. Let me know if you like that kind of thing, and I'll be sure to make more of it, if you do. If you don't, also let me know, because, you know, I'm just trying out different things in the end, and nothing will stick. Well, I mean, in the end, nothing really does stick. And I'm just blabbering again. That's the problem with these kinds of videos. I might just end up talking about nonsense. But if you like that, let me know and I'll be sure to make more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.